Today, we're gonna introduce a new type, epoxy tile grout. It is easy to use with better performance than traditional tile grout. Here are what we need for the construction. 2 components epoxy tile grout. It is 400 ml. Missing nozzle for application on the tube tile grout. Scraper. Ball tools. Caulking gun. Color book for multiple color options. Before grouting, we need to clean the tile gaps. Make sure they are clean and dry. Loose the tube cap. Screw the nozzle tightly. Cut the nozzle according to the gap's size. Install the tube tile grout into the caulking gun. Press the caulking gun button, then push the rope into the tube tile grout. The 2-component tile grout will be mixed in the nozzle. Abandon 5 to 10 ml mixture before caulking. Squeeze the mixture into the tile gaps at a constant speed. Level gaps with ball tools or other tools. Let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. Remove the residues with a scraper. No movement on the treated tile for 24 hours.